What is a relay? A relay is an event where a team of athletes run set distances around the track. Each athlete passes an object called a baton to the next athlete in the race. The most common relay races that you'll see on the track are a 4x100, 4x400 and then a 5-person team medley relay. 4x100 metre relays consist of 4 team members each running 100 metres each in a single designated lane. In a 4x400 relay, each member runs 400 metres. The first member stays in their lane for the first 400 metres and the exchange happens in their lane. After that, the second member can start running in lane 1 on the back straight after they've run the first 100 metres of the race. From there on in, each change happens at the start-finish line in lane 1, 2 or 3. A medley relay is made up of 5 members and it can be made up of boys and girls. The rules state that there can be no more than 2 boys in the relay race. Each leg is a different distance. One person runs 800, one person runs 400, one person runs 200, and then 2 members run 100 metres each. Rules state that a girl has to run either the 400 or the 800 leg. And also in medley relays, you can choose to run whichever distances in whichever order that you want, which does make it quite fun to watch because you never quite know who's winning at any given time. Understanding medley relays can be a little bit tricky, but there's a few things that you need to know. The first runner, no matter what distance they run, starts in their lane and stays in their lane for at least 300 metres. This means that if that person is only running 100 or 200, the change to the next relay member happens in their lane. After 300 metres, the athletes can then start running in lane 1. They stay running in lane 1 unless they're passing an athlete or there's a baton exchange happening. All the baton exchanges happen in lane 2, 3 and out the track depending on how many people are exchanging the baton at the same time. If several teams are coming up to exchange the baton at the same time, the official will let you know which lane you do the change in. The changeover areas for medley relays are slightly different. In the first 300 metres, it's the 4x100 metre rules, so the changeover zone is 30 metres long. After that, the changeover is only 20 metres long because sometimes you can have someone running an 800 passing to someone who's about to take off to run a 100 metre race.